Arrow is more than a janitorial product supplier. We work with our customers to deliver exceptional cleaning solutions. With over 45 years industry experience, we supply over 1,000 customers in local authorities, education, facilities management, food manufacturers, quick service restaurants and healthcare across the UK. Our partnership approach sets us apart. The Arrow Way is our unique process and offers a truly unparalleled service through our advise, supply, support methodology. Through our Work Smarter program, we challenge traditional approaches to cleaning to enhance product performance, improve hygiene standards, and maximize efficiency. With innovative solutions such as the Slip-Stop Leak Collector, Riser Shine Escalator Cleaning Tool, along with our Indata brand, we solve the toughest cleaning challenges. Our For Humanity sustainability strategy ensures we positively impact the planet, our people, and the wider community. Working with our supply partners, we strategically source products that meet your requirements and industry standards. Our fleet and national hub and spoke delivery network deliver on time, in full, for your every requirement, removing risk in your supply chain. Our after-sales support and account managers ensure your success and drive hygiene best practice through our established training programs. We make ordering easy. However you like to order, online, email, or bespoke system integration, our team is here to support you. Our unique Arrow Connect portal takes it that step further with integrated ordering, reporting, and budget management, streamlining your operations. We support you from day one with a tailored implementation plan and seamless contract transition. We work with you so you can focus on what matters, driving value, efficiency, and ensuring sustainable cleaning performance. That's the Arrow Way.